Hi, first grade. Miss Schratz here, and hi, families. This video is going to show you our classroom because I know that I'm really sad, and I'm sure some of you are at home that we're not in the classroom. So I thought it'd be fun to show you what our classroom looks like, so that way one day when we get to come back to the classroom, all of us together, you guys will know what it looks like. All right, so just to get started, I wanted to share a tiny bit about me. And the one picture, it's a picture of my fiance and myself at a Bills game because we love going to the Bills games. We have season tickets and we love going. And we've been trying to go to the out of town ones too, but too bad COVID is putting a bummer into that. And then the other picture is of my pet. And I don't have a puppy or a cat like most people. I have a pet bunny. She's really cute and little. She's like this big. And her name is Honey. And I'm hoping that one day I can bring her into school for us all to pet and play with. So fingers crossed that we get to do that. So this is a picture of our bulletin board in the hallway. This is our beginning of the year bulletin board, and soon we'll be changing it over to focus on our EL module about tools. But together we're better, and I thought that was a sweet little saying to say, considering that we're not all together right now, but how much I wish we were, and one day we will be. And then the one picture is of our classroom's front door, and in between and the other door next to it that's open, that's the other first grade classroom. And in between our doors are a couple little COVID posters giving us some friendly reminders. And then at the top, it says tools and work because that's the EL module that we're in right now. We're learning about tools and work. And then the next picture is what you see right when you walk in the classroom. You'll see our calendar, and that's where we do crew when we're in school together. And then above that is a dry erase board, but those are our learning targets. And a learning target is the goal for each lesson. So each lesson that we teach has a learning target, and that's what we want our students to reach every single lesson is that learning target. And a learning target is an I can statement. So then hopefully by the time the lesson is done, the students can say, I can blah, 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 blah. And hopefully it meets that learning target. And then this is a picture showing some of our like classroom symbols that we use. So that way when a student needs one of these things, they can just use their fingers up in the air to tell the teacher what they need so that way they don't have to shout out. And then you'll also see in our clock that there are the minutes. And I put that up there this year because we're going to be learning about time at the end of the school year in math, which is super exciting. This wall is showing our student work, and the work that's up right now is from our EL module or our expedition, which is tools and work. And unfortunately, I tried to print out some of the virtual students' work from online, and it looks kind of funky coming from the printer online. So I'm working on a way how to put the virtual students' work in the classroom as well. So hopefully that's coming soon. I just have to figure out how to make it look a little bit clearer in the pictures. And this is our classroom library filled with a bunch of books organized by theme. And at the top are all of the students' birthdays. The one picture is our class is of the dry erase board with our daily schedule on it. And this is something that I go back to a lot during the day to help keep track of time. And same with the students. And you can see our letter days for our special, and then the books underneath those are the books that we've read so far, and we've read a lot of books so far. And then you can also see our character target at the top, and that changes weekly. Every week we have one character target. And then this picture over here is of our vocab wall. At the top, it's the math vocab that we're learning in this module, and down here is our expedition vocab, which is our expedition is another word for our EL module, so our tools and work module. And then this is our snap word wall. And this is where we're going to add all of our new snap words from our phonics curriculum. And this is where students can look at the wall to see how to spell words, and they use it as like a reference. And one day, hopefully when COVID is done, this wall will be interactive. So the words will be on magnets. So then when kids are sitting at their seat, they can get up, go get the word that they need to spell, and then they can write it, and then they can go put the word back up on the wall. So hopefully we can do that soon too. And then above it, you can see our alphabet strip, and that's something that our students have really been using a lot of as we're trying to remember our letters and our sounds since we had a little bit of break because of COVID. So this wall we use a lot in school. And so that's basically it for our classroom. I didn't take a picture of any of the tables because they are a little bit messy. And I did just put out our rug in the classroom in front of the smartboard. And we've been using the rug only 4 people at a time for right now, just because of social distancing. But hopefully there'll be a time where we can all sit on the rug together and learn. But that's it. That's our classroom. I can't wait for one day for all of us to be together in it. But until then, I just hope that we all stay safe and healthy at home. And I will always only be a message away if you ever need anything.